Starting around 08 July 2023, genuinely smooth love mixture basically is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in most recent 60 minutes, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP for the most part has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $68,425,721, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,730,708 in a truly significant manner. This in a real sense makes in every practical sense. Smooth love mixture, SLP, sort of positioning at 301 in the digital currency market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023, what will sort of smooth love elixir generally be really worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is extremely smooth love elixir in all things considered, wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Which especially is genuinely huge. Will SLP cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, or so they by and large thought? These really are our exceptionally smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP''S' future, or so they fundamentally thought. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the smooth love mixture gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost in every way that really matters is supposed to commonly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.002. The normal extremely least value worth of truly smooth love mixture toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to sort of be $0.002 amazingly. Besides, SLP can sort of arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.002, or so they especially thought. Smooth love elixir value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the kind of greatest cost for essentially smooth love mixture could sort of stretch around $0.002, or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in July 2023 truly is $0.002, with a typical cost of $0.002 in a really significant manner. Smooth love mixture value expectation August 2023. Essentially smooth love elixir cost in a real sense is supposed to generally reach between $0.002 to $0.002 in August 2023, while the sort of typical cost of SLP for the August especially remains around $0.002, especially smooth love mixture, SLP, value forecast September 2023. With respect to September 2023, beautiful smooth love mixture cost for the most part is gauged to truly arrive at a particularly the least cost of $0.002, which sort of is very huge. The SLP cost could especially arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.002, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.002, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of commonly smooth love elixir really is supposed to fundamentally be at around a very least of $0.002, which in a real sense is very huge. Smooth love elixir cost can in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.002, with the extremely normal cost of $0.002 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, genuinely smooth love elixir cost generally is gauged to for the most part arrive at an actually the least cost of $0.002, so these in a real sense are our exceptionally smooth love elixir cost forecasts for SLP's future, which especially is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could by and large arrive at a greatest cost of $0.002, with the really normal expected cost around $0.002, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP value conjecture December 2023. The exceptionally smooth love mixture estimate for December 2023 expects that the SLP may sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.002 with an in every practical sense, least cost of around $0.002. Incredibly, discussing the fundamentally normal value SLP can truly stretch around $0.002 for December in a for the most part significant manner. Smooth love elixir in every way that really matters, past value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been truly diminished by 0.07% in its ongoing worth in a very significant manner. Assuming we really think about the kind of current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap generally is likewise down, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture in every practical sense is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, demonstrating the way that discussing the for the most part normal value SLP can sort of stretch around $0.002 for December, or so they generally thought. The SLP is down to nearly 4.68% in the absolute most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for essentially past not many days. The coin could truly have in every practical sense solid essentials. However, we don't for the most part feel that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, or so they explicitly thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP sort of diminished by 45.333%, taking out an astounding truly normal amount of $0.001 from its ongoing worth, which generally shows that smooth love mixture value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the kind of greatest cost for truly smooth love elixir could stretch around $0.002, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent essentially purchase and open door for by and large speedy speculation, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change basically is near 44.46%. And the cost fundamentally circled from a genuinely least truly normal cost of $0.003 to in every practical sense, most extreme truly normal cost of $0.003 in the essentially beyond 90 days. Smooth love elixir in every way that really matters is somewhere near 20.69% with the by and large most extreme truly normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.002. And the kind of least for the most part normal cost of especially was around $0.002 in sort of beyond 4 months in a very huge manner. Smooth love mixture value figure 2023 facts. What will commonly be smooth love elixir fundamentally worth in 2023? Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The SLP cost for the most part is determined to in every practical sense arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0.002, with certainly least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023.